Well, we never did a special video for the application of solar care, glass care, or solar care, glass care self-cleaning, because it's really very easy. I just show you that on the windshield of the motorbike, which is also in plastic. It's no matter if the solar care are plastic or glass. The surface has to be clean, so just wash it with water and then make sure it's clean and dry. And then the application is very easy, so you just have to spray the product on the surface and then you have to polish it. So that's it. You see, so I do it with a trigger spray and I polish it with a piece of absorbent paper. That's it. So of course, if you do a bigger surface, which is solar cares are bigger surfaces, you will not use trigger sprays. You can use HLPV sprays. That means you can use industrial spraying machines or whatever you like to spray on the surface. And then you can use manpower, or you can use polishing machines to polish the surface. So you only have to spray on the surface and polish it dry. That's it. Then you have to wait 12 hours before exposure to water or rain.